Good morning, students. So, I am Aliana Jempi Ramos, your PE Grade 9 Head Coordinator. So, this is Sir Rafael, your MAPED teacher. So, we are going to assess you since you want to join our team sa track and field ride sa ating upcoming sports event. So, before that, before kayo ma-join sa amin, syempre, kailangan muna namin kayong i-test kung talagang pasok ba talaga kayo sa level para i-compete sa ibang grade level.
Ano pong mga test na gagawin namin, ma'am?
Three-minute step test and shuttle run. These physical tests, will determine who's gonna be part of the team. And i-evaluate to ng mga grade 9 coordinator para kung sino yung magiging part ng team.
So, after nyo lahat matake yung mga physical fitness test na na-prepare namin para sa inyo, which is nga yung shuttle run and yung 3-minute step test, ay kakausapin namin yung pinaka-head coordinator ng grade level namin, and sa kanya namin sasabihin if pasok nga ba kayo sa ating team. So, are you guys ready? Yes, ma'am! Begin now with our first test, which is the shuttle run. I have a timer on hand right now, so I will time the timer going to accumulate while running. So, who will be the fastest group will have, of course, the highest points. So, do your best. Let's start now in 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay. Now, the timer performance are hit. Now, let's move on to our next test, which is 3-minute step test.
Our next test is 3-minute step test. Itong test na to is matitest yung endurance nyo. So, good luck guys!
It's your part. So, good job guys. Thank you for your good cooperation with us. So, we will now start our evaluation later with our head coordinator.
So, wait for further announcement. Good luck guys!
The student performance are good, right?
Yes.
That's
Very
why I think most of them will join the team. So, I think we should really immediately talk with the head coordinator. So, we can announce it immediately with them.
Yes, let's go.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, here are the information that we got from the physical fitness test that we conduct earlier from the students that are aiming to join the team for track and field.
Okay, wala na sila. Okay, based sa mga participants natin, their vital statistic and health conditions are defeated actually. Then from the tests that we ginawa sa kanila, okay, very good, Ms. Ramos. They are ready for the competition. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Actually, the 3-minute step test, they overqualified about that. They met the expectation that we want to, okay, thank you. So, papas ka na lang ito pa sa taas, then, okay, good na yan. I will email you or text you for further information.
So, I can announce to them that they're going to be the teacher.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day po.
Yes,
Have a
ma'am.
good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.